camera. So I'm going to start off by removing the shotgun microphone, which is by unscrewing the hot shoe, which is right here, the top. You're going to slide it out really easily. Then you're going to remove the length controller, which is the one used to record like start and stop, and it's used to zoom in and zoom out, make it wider and tighter. To remove it, you're going to unscrew it over here at the bottom, and then just like remove it just like that. And it's plugged to over here, it's written remote. I'm gonna unplug it. It comes off really easily. To remove the camera, you're going to unscrew the side, loosen it up a bit. Then you're going to press the orange button and slide it out really easily. Then you're going to remove it from the tripod all by itself. You're going to pull this thing over here. Then remove the tripod really easily. To remove the dolly, you're going to pull this screw over here and just fold it into a better. And then you're going to pull this other screw and just put it into a better position. To put the tripod into a better position, you're going to unscrew these things to the left to loosen it up. And you're going to pull and then fold it into a straight line like that. And then I'm going to unscrew these things which folds the stand. Then you're going to tighten it up just so that the stands don't fall. And then there. That's how you disassemble a camera.